So I just installed the Everblade heated wiper blades. It comes in 3 packages. When you purchase them through the website, you'll put in your make, model, and they'll send you the right wiper blade. For an F350 2019, they're 22s, and it comes with the wiring harness. Wiring harness you'll need, and then the wiper blades, you can, whenever they go bad, you just get new ones of those and slip them on and put them on. So pretty simple. These are the tools I needed. With the switch module included, you're going to have red, black, and blue. Forget the blue. The blue isn't needed as long as you are putting 3 upfitter switches on your Ford. Now, red is going to have a 15 amp breaker on it. Cut each side of it to whatever length you need. And then the black, cut that to whatever length you need. So basically up here, I cut my breaker off the red one, and I connected that to my upfitter switch 1, green and brown. So cut that, you can see the other side, to the black wire, where the black wire splits to each side of the wipers. And then, make that watertight and all that. So did that, pretty simple. And then, of course, I got to put everything nice and cleanly back together. And then in the package, you're going to have 2 separate wires that are grounds. What I did was a ground over on the right side and a ground over on the left side of the vehicle. So ground that off and then just run one of each to your wiper blades, and that's about it. Then you turn your truck ignition to accessory you're on, test your wiper blades, make sure they get hot. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute to, just feel them up there and make sure they get pretty hot. So just make sure they work before you put everything back together and tight. When you're putting them on the wipers are going to move, like wipers. So make sure you have slack in the line and nothing's pulling tight and pulling stuff when you tighten everything up. And that's pretty much it. So install time, easily less than an hour. If you're good, less than 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Any questions, hit down below.